I got $100 no deposit bonus for free, as you can see it right here. And this is a legit no deposit bonus. You don't need to deposit to claim it. All you just need to do is to trade it and you withdraw the profits, okay? So I'm going to show you how to go about it. But before I do that, let's talk about the terms and conditions. So if you know that you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also to share with your friends so that they can all benefit from it, okay? I'll be holding a free Forex class, so if you know that you're interested in learning Forex, the link to joining the class is going to be in the description below, okay? So now let's talk about the terms and conditions. Okay, so the bonus is for futures trading, okay? You can see it right here that your 100 USDT futures bonus pro is now available, okay? So it's for futures trading alone. And you can see the terms and conditions right here. The bonus is for futures trading, like I said before, and the profits earned using this bonus can be withdrawn or transferred. So you can only withdraw the profit earned, but you can't withdraw the main money, the main $100. Okay, so when you withdraw or transfer funds out of the future account, the system will reclaim, okay, to reclaim the bonus. Then bonuses have an expiration, that's an expiry date. So we have the trading fee and the losses are first deducted from your own funds, then from the bonus. Okay, you can see all the terms and conditions right here. So you can just go through it. So the bonus itself cannot be withdrawn or transferred. Yes, like I've said that before. So it's only profit that can be withdrawn. So you see the bonus is valid for 7 days. So just go through it. You can just go through it. These are the terms and conditions, okay? So I'm going to update you with more information on my Telegram channel. So if you know that you're not following me, the link will be in the description below. So just click on the link. It will take you to my Telegram channel, okay? So now let's get into the video. The first thing that we need to do is to register. So you're going to register using your email. So you're just going to input your email. You can use your email or use your phone number. But for me, I'm making use of my email. So I'm just going to input my email and my password. So immediately you log in, it's just going to take you to where we are going to be downloading the app. Yes, so we're going to download the app. You can see it right there. Okay, this is it right here, L Bank. So once you download the app, then you are required to log in and you'll be imputing the same email and password. We're going to click on allow. So we're going to be imputing the same email and password that we used to log into the site, okay? So once it opens, then you have to input a code that was sent to your email. So now that we are in the app, we'll click on the first email they showed us, and to take us to the next phase where they will show us all the available bonus, okay? So we're just going to input our email. Okay, so a code will be sent to our email. So we're just going to swipe. We're going to swipe it, okay? So like I said before, a code will be sent to our email. So we're first going to verify our email. As you can see, I've received the message already. So this is the verification code right here. So I'm just going to input it. Then we're going to verify, okay? So they want us to use a passkey to protect our password, but we're going to just ignore it for now. So you can see it right here. So we're just going to click on claim. This is it right here. So we'll click on claim. As you can see, registration successful. Okay, so I've gotten my $100 no deposit bonus. This is it right here. You can see it. So once you just click on the email, then it will tell you more information that you need to know about the bonus. Okay, so this is the email, the message they sent to my email. So you can just go through it. You're going to get more terms and conditions, all that you need to know about this $100 no deposit bonus. You're going to find it right here, okay? So just keep scrolling, just go through it. Just go through it. So if you know you got it, just let me know in the comment section, okay? So it's still available. So go and claim yours right now.